Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Tim Hortons Mocha Iced Latte, or the iced latte with mocha sauce and then a shot. I don't know. I want to try this one out, see what it's all about. I had an iced mocha from there before. I want to see if this is any different, iced latte mocha. So, looks pretty cool. Let me get right into it. Yeah, so that's different than the iced mocha. Thought they'd be somewhat similar, but this one, it's got a taste of a latte, like you can taste the espresso or the coffee in it, and it's got more of a bitter taste than the mocha that I had before. The iced mocha was more like a sweet chocolatey drink, whereas this one tastes more like coffee with a little bit of chocolate added in. Pretty good though. So you can get different flavor shots in your mochas, not in your mochas, in your lattes at Tim Hortons. They have a vanilla flavoring, they have a caramel one, and they also have the mocha one, which makes it kind of chocolatey. It's nice, flavorful, but this tastes like a latte first and foremost, whereas the iced mocha tastes more like just a mocha, a flavorful, sugary drink. So there's a little bit of a difference there. This is still a very good drink though, so yeah. I think I like the iced vanilla latte a little bit better than this one, because that one, the flavors match up. Here, it's got that bitter coffee taste, but then the chocolate doesn't really pair well with it, I don't think. It's good, but I think they have better drinks out there, so it's a little bit different. Iced vanilla mocha, iced mocha versus iced latte with mocha sauce. I think the iced mocha is a little bit better. This one tastes, not that the coffee taste is bad per se, but it's strong, and that might be off-putting for some other people. But last sip here. Yeah, it's kind of bitter, so I'd give the iced latte with the mocha shot a 7 out of 10. It's still pretty good. It tastes like a latte with a bit of chocolate in it, but the iced mocha tasted a lot better than this one in my opinion, and those two drinks should be very similar, but this one's more bitter, kind of a different taste to it, so really just depends what you want in a drink. If you like the coffee taste, go with the iced latte with mocha. If you like mocha, just go with the iced mocha. Pretty simple. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.